Have you ever imagined a place that is the definition of why you travel? A place so different than what you know. A place that changes you. Ifugao is that place. But it's gonna take a while to get there. Step 1, get to Manila.
How many hours have we been laying on the floor in the airport? 4 or 5 hours. I'm using my travel pillow as like a hemorrhoid pad.
Step 2, bus from Manila to Banaue. There's a quote out there, difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. Yeah, let's talk about that road. And the 9-hour bus ride of death. Did I mention it's 9 hours? Over a tiny, one-lane snake of a road through the mountains. With a train of other buses, logging trucks, construction vehicles. In the rain! In the dark. Why am I sitting here? Why am I doing this? In the cover of darkness and the veil of ignorance, this driver just pommels up the mountain. Which takes incredible skill. Yes, I have lived to tell the tale. But I know we're doing some crazy shit. And I'm trying to ignore it with a smile at our one rest stop.
It's a little hairy. This driver, when he gets stuck behind another bus, he'll pass them on like blind corners. Oh my god. Through the dark, through these skinny little ass roads on the side of a cliff.
What makes it even more unsettling is that a friend from Manila keeps checking in. She's done this drive. Every few hours, I'll get a blip of cell service. Incredibly, most people seem to be sleeping. How? I do not know. So I turn to what I do know.
I cannot sleep. Are you fucking kidding me? Like, first of all, you're going like this.
I won't go any further because, well, dark bouncy video is not fun to watch, but let's just say it ranks as one of the scarier things I've endured. But hey, it got us here. Early. Yep, Leadfoot pulled in about 2 hours too soon, and the town looks like a deserted movie set. Our hotel isn't even open. So we huddle in a bakery, the only place with lights on, until a bright idea. Luckily, the town's trike drivers are used to a bunch of bewildered and blurry-eyed foreigners showing up in the middle of the night, so we go for a ride. For sunrise, on the terraces, because what could be more iconic? We climb with the sun, and as darkness lifts, the silhouettes of mountains fade in. And then, yeah, it was all worth it. The kind of fog you see in paintings rolls around us. The clouds clear just long enough to hint at what we got ourselves into. It's good. It's gonna be real good.
The fog is starting to roll in.
As the mountains disappear, so does the memory of that treacherous bus ride. It was absolutely worth it, and it's not even 7 a.m. yet.